I recently replaced the stock vacuum operated fuel valve with a Pingel manual fuel valve, and the reason for doing so I'll hopefully discuss in a subsequent video, but in this video I want to talk about the Pingel components that fit the application. The valve itself is the 6000 series. It has off, reserve, and on positions, and that's of course left side mounted with the hose outlet facing to the right. The valve does require an adapter nut, and the part number for the adapter nut is right here. It's A2000C. The adapter nut has 1/4 MPT threads and 20 millimeter threads, more specifically 20 millimeter by 1 millimeter pitch. The 20 millimeter threads mate with the threads of the gas tank bung, and the 1/4 MPT junction is between the fuel valve and the adapter. So there's a gasket that's provided at this junction, and Teflon tape has to be used to seal the junction between the valve and the adapter. 3 or 4 turns of Teflon tape should be fine, but I do recommend the use of high quality Teflon tape like this. It has extra thickness and also has full density. Lower quality Teflon tapes tend to leak, so I would steer away from those. Here's the part number for the valve itself, 6111-AH. Another word of caution is when you are screwing the valve into the adapter, don't over tighten it, because I believe both are aluminum, so it's very easy to strip those threads out. Another thing that needs to be done for the installation is that the vacuum port for the number 2 cylinder needs to be capped off because it's no longer used for this application.